Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video, I am going to show you two ways on how to hide Instagram notification names. So to do this, the first step is to open your Instagram application first. Then click on your profile picture at the bottom right corner of your screen. Okay, now click on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner of your screen. Then click on settings and privacy. Okay, now scroll down and look for the notifications option and then click on messages. Okay, that's right. Now you can just turn off your messages from individual and group chat, so it will not appear to your notifications. Okay, you can also try this second way. So just open your phone's settings and then look for your phone's apps and then click on it. So this one, and then click on manage apps. Okay, and then from here look for your Instagram application. You can also use the search bar at the top corner and then click on notifications. So you just have to toggle this switch off, this lock screen notification, so that when your phone is on lock screen, the name of the person that have sent you a message will not going to appear on the notification. So that's it. That's how you can do it. So don't forget to subscribe for more video tutorials in the future. Bye bye.